Moment in History 117. Washington inaugurated. It was the unanimous opinion of the country that Washington should be the first president. Only with reluctance did he accept the honor. His journey from Virginia to New York for the inauguration was a triumphal procession. He was sworn in on April 30th, 1789, on the balcony of the Federal Hall. Although perhaps not a great statesman, he commanded, however, universal respect and was able to prevent the country from splitting into violent factions in the first critical years of its existence.